Vanakkam and hi to all the beautiful ladies and gentlemen. Hope all of you are doing well and keeping safe, and get yourself vaccinated and encourage your near and dear ones to get vaccinated, because vaccination is the only remedy right now for all of us to bounce back to normalcy. Since e-commerce has been resumed in Tamil Nadu, so we are shipping our your orders. So you can continue shop online from our website www.cleosilks.com, or if you wish to shop more or see more of our collections online through a video call, you can always get in touch with our team at 99626 77777. Our sales team would take you through our collections virtually. So let's get to the sarees. So this video is about our gorgeous Kanjivaram silk collections, and the sari which I am wearing is a totally offbeat contrast Korvai Kanjivaram. The body of the sari is a combination of pink and cream flanked with Korvai woven black and gold zari strip border. So this kind of a sari can be worn with a very typical black traditional blouse. I went with a gold zari elephant motifs with this sari because this kind of a sari can never go out of style with simple traditional blouses. So another gorgeous combination is rust orange with black podi kattam. So the whole sari has a very minute small checks throughout the body where there are no motifs. So the border has a beautiful Bavanchi gold zari border, and it has two piping border in pink and bottle green. So the sari as such is a very traditional sari with Korvai woven hot pink temple pallu. So this sari has a hot pink blouse with a Bavanchi border. If you want to play with the blouses for this sari, you can definitely go with a floral in hot pink, or a nice brocade blouse in bottle green will look really beautiful with this sari. Something very pleasant and unique, it is lime green stripes with an half and half combination of ink blue and silver zari motifs. The upper part of the sari doesn't have any zari work, whereas it has this beautiful stripes in ink blue, whereas the lower part has this ink blue combination with zari checks with beautiful motifs of peacock in silver zari. When you look at the pallu is a traditional and a typical temple zari in a contrast ink blue color. This kind of a sari you should definitely go with a red floral blouse, or a red brocade blouse will go really well with this. So one of a kind, a very unique and a timeless Kanjivaram silk sari is this masterpiece. So if you could see this sari, the whole sari on the body, it doesn't have any zari because it is a combination of pink and peach in panel design, where you can see the motifs are a very traditional typical temple inspired motifs in Rudraksha and Annapakshi motifs. So when you look at the pallu design, it is a very engraved multi brocade in zari combination, where you have the Rudraksha and then you have this tilakam, and it has this beautiful kolam design which is just mind blowing. So these kind of a sari, you should just keep the blouse very simple. Either you can go with a typical plain pink blouse, or just with embroidered with the motifs which is given here. So if you wear this sari, you will definitely be the cynosure of all eyes. So this multi checks is a combination of green and grey. This is without zari ahimsa silk sari, where no zari has been used. So the body of the sari has full contrast and a very vibrant multi checks, whereas the lower border has the grey combination with thread motifs of mango which is woven on the lower part of the border. When you look at the pallu, The pallu has a very traditional grey temple pallu with just multi-thread motifs of mango which is woven on the pallu. So this kind of a sari, just close your eyes and go with just similar shades of grey or any of the combination of green color, because this sari is definitely a corporate sari where you feel really easy to wear and walk through it. So the color of the season is purple and magenta. It never goes out of style, and this sari is a typical jacquard silk sari with the corvée woven border with contrast magenta borders. So when you look at the sari as such has a very beautiful tilakam woven jacquard motifs throughout the body of the sari, but the border has a very elaborate peacock motifs woven along the border, along with the bavanchi border on both sides. And when you look at the pallu has this peacock eye motif zari brocade pallu in contrast magenta pallu, and it has, the beautiful thing is, it has an woven mango and a paisley designs woven on both sides. If you want to gift someone for the bride, then this sari fits the bill. A very subtle and an age-old traditional combination is this ivory with the ink blue combination. So the body of the sari has this multi checks in ivory with blue combination, whereas the border has a combination of ink blue and zari strip border, and the pallu has this temple contrast ink blue pallu, and the blouse is a beautiful ink blue with the zari border. So these kind of a sari, you can just style it up with a choker or just an elbow sleeves with just a closed back and a low front. It looks really beautiful. So Sampanga green with peacock blue shade. So this sari it is not 3 parts but has 3 different unique pattern woven in the sari, where the upper part is a plain Sampanga green, whereas the lower half of the sari is divided in 2 parts where it has this multi podi checks with temple record, and another one is a plain peacock blue with zari border. You can play the sari with an exceptionally different kind of a blouse. Either it can be a nice red or an orange, or the same kind of blouse with a peacock embroidered or some traditional motifs embroidered on it. This will look really beautiful. So a gorgeous pastel combination of cyan with purple and pink combination. The sari as such is very minimalistic classic design, where it has a very beautiful jacquard thread woven body, and the lower part has a traditional bavanchi border with a combination of a floral leaf motifs which is woven along the lower side of the border. So you take the pallu is a combination of a purple and magenta brocade. It has this beautifully woven paisley design. So this kind of a sari, you should definitely go with this lovely looking blouse, which is a combination of purple and magenta with just you can highlight the motifs which comes on the border. Or else, if you want to go with just something very unique, striking blouse, you can go with the magenta blouse where it will look really classy. So saving the best for the last and one of a kind sari is this beautiful 8-kohl woven Kanjivaram silk. When you look at the sari, the elaborate working of the sari has a combination of gold zari with contrast colors. The zari used is 2-gram gold with a combination of orange and pink, which are bold striking colors. So the pallu of the sari is a very traditional gold zari temple pallu. So this kind of a sari you can mix and match with the blouses, because since this sari is one of a kind and it's gonna be with you in your wardrobe, you can go with a purple or a violet or just a plain pink or orange. Any kind of blouses will go really well with this sari, because these kind of saris are heirloom pieces and you'll really love it. So if you like our videos, kindly like and share our videos. So if you have any question, kindly post in the comment section. If you like our videos and like to be notified about it, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can shop all of our collections and the collection shown in the video from our website www.cleosilks.com, where we would be adding collections every day. We have a very safe and secure payment gateway. You can either pay through debit card, credit card, net banking and PayPal. So if you'd like to see more collections, you can also contact us through WhatsApp +919962677777. Our sales staff would attend to you personally. So we do free shipping within India and we do ship worldwide. For orders above $400, we do free international shipping and we have a hassle-free 10-day return policy. We are located in the prime locality at Alvapet, which is 5 minutes from T Nagar. We are working on all days from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. We have ample car parking space right in front of our store. We do same-day delivery within Chennai and we offer complimentary sari fall and pico.